Hi everyone, it's the Stitchy Witch here, and I'm really excited because today I have received some more issues of my Disney Cross Stitch magazine, and all in one bundle now in the post. I have just received 4 more issues, so I've got 3, 4, 5, oops, and 6. So I'm going to open the next one. Oh, I'll quickly show you how much I've got done. So there he is, that's Tigger, and I think he come out quite nicely. So I managed to get him finished, and I have another video where I was talking about the difficulty I had with doing some of the back stitch here, and there was also some parts that I had to rip back because they were super annoying and difficult. But yeah, I managed to get him finished, and there'll be other characters that come along which you need to basically do around these corners, well, basically around him. So this is going to be so cool. So after Tigger, I think the next one is Dumbo here. So let's open this. Looks like they've given us a couple of more threads, which is great. You can never have too much floss when you're a stitcher. Everybody will agree with me. And oh, this looks nice. So now we've got issue 3, which has the Dumbo. Start stitching Dumbo. Yeah, I definitely will. And this looks amazing. There he is. And I'm just going to quickly glimpse. Oh, another small chart. Can't show you the chart, but I can probably show you what else is in here. Oh, we've got lovely. What is this? They called it Puppy Love, embellished with a tassel or pom-pom. Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? I wonder how many people will be doing that. And oh, totally adorable. Celebrate cute Bambi with these motifs. Oh, that's sweet. I actually think that's cute. How do you actually sew onto a t-shirt? I've no idea. If any of you have done that, let me know. And yeah, some of the pages I found as well did have some just like poster prints like this, which was a little bit odd. And yeah, it's nice here that they've actually just given you a chart template so you can put your own thing in the middle there. Oh, and some bubble writing. That's cute. That's really good. And these are the ones that I was interested in too, because I thought they were really nice. I thought they looked good, and I might try that. I love that clock too. I guess that won't come free with any of the issues anytime soon. So as you can see, it's not very thick in terms of what you get, but it does have these holes that you can stick it into a binder. Shall we open the next one? And I'm guessing that this one is going to be finishing off Dumbo. Yeah, finish stitching Dumbo. Then we have oh, so there's the sampler that I'm doing, and Dumbo's going to go there on the right. What else do we have? Oh, I absolutely love this. I really want to do this, but I've already got so many works in progress. It's absolutely painful that you can't do these things in like 10 seconds flat. Let's see, what else have we got here? A cute pillowcase trim. Oh, I like that. I wouldn't mind that, except I'd get all dribble all over it and something, so it probably wouldn't do for me. And that's nice too. See, there's just so many things that you want to stitch, and where is the time? Where is the time? That's a really nice issue too. So I'd like to know when my binder is coming, because the binder is going to be useful for putting in all these pages. Now for a quick look at issue 5. Let's see what we have here. Baloo, he's going to be the next one after Dumbo, and 2 more threads. So I suppose this is one that you can cover a tin or something like that. I don't know where you get the actual product. Is it just to kind of show you what you can do? I don't actually know. And I think in every issue they're showing you where your little character is supposed to go. So he's going to go down there. By the way, I'm not affiliated with Disney. I'm not trying to sell anything on a commission basis or anything like that. I've just subscribed, and I just wanted to share the experience of looking through. Now what's this? Oh, that's very different, very different. I kind of like it because it's kind of obscure, isn't it? You could mistake it for like a flame or some fire or something. It's quite yeah, very different. And what else do we have here? Tale as old as time. Oh, that's cute, that's pretty. So yeah, there's not actually a lot of pages, but I suppose I look at it more as a collection rather than a magazine. So it's like a collection of cross-stitch pieces that you can keep, or you can give to friends. Let's have a look. That's so cute. There's Dumbo. Amazing things will happen. Goodness me, I do hope so. And coming in issue 6, we've got Snow White apron, chip coaster, Jungle Book motifs, and I have that. I have issue 6. So let's see how I get on with actually stitching Dumbo. I'm going to give that a go later on, so I may come back. And I'm really hoping that he's going to fit on the side here, because there were so many issues on where to start Tigger and where to actually place him, that I really hope I'm going to be able to fit Dumbo on this side. I don't want to put him anywhere else because that's going to mess up all the other characters. So it remains to be seen, and I shall come back and maybe try and do a little bit of stitching here and see how I get on with that. So thanks for joining me on my Disney journey, and I hope you get as much fun out of these magazines as I have, and I'll see you in a little while.